Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today is really a fun video and I have been sent this gift box by a lovely person, and their Instagram account is paint underscore pouring underscore by underscore Sam. So they kindly sent me this gift and I'm really excited to open it. So starting off with this lovely note that I have received. So first of all, I received these ammonites, and these are ammonites inlay. So excited to see these because I really love ammonites so much. So thank you so much. They are so amazing. So this is the sticker. It has ammonites on them, so I can feel that they love ammonites so much. So it's a beautiful crystal drizzy mold. And so in one of my videos, I was talking about buying a new drizzy mold, and they were so kind enough and they sent me this amazing mold that she made this mold by herself. So I'm so grateful. Really love it. Let's open it. Such a lovely mold. I will treasure it for a long time and make beautiful creation out of it. Thank you so much. So let's make something out of it. So for my first time, I thought let's try the flower technique here. So I have already mixed my resin. It's a medium viscosity resin and I'm pouring the first layer. So I have poured my medium viscosity resin into the mold, and it's a thin layer, and I'm using my heat gun to remove the bubbles. And after that, I will be waiting around 20 minutes for my resin to get the consistency I want. It's usually the honey-like consistency that we need for making the flower. So in this pot, I have 20 ml of resin, and to which I will be adding exactly 10 drops of casting craft. And I'm mixing the resin at the same time. So after that, see you after 20 minutes. So this is me after 20 minutes, and you can see the resin has cleared up a lot. So let's start making the petals. I will be making a freehand flower here, and I will be using my dotting tool to draw the flower petals. So first of all, I will be adding the gold foil into the center of the flower. And now with the white resin, I will be drawing the petals. So this is really up to you how thick or thin you want to draw these. So you can see already the resin has been on the thicker side. So I will be drawing the petals and you just enjoy the process. So after drawing the petals, I will be just arranging them in shape. And if there is any free resin wandering around, I'm just shaping it into petal. decided to add some lines. So I'm adding a little bit of more resin onto the petals just to make them a bit thick. So after that, I will leave it to cure. See you next day. So this is the next day and I can see the flower has bloomed nicely. So for the background, I will be adding this black resin. So I really like to add black to the flower base because it brings out the beauty of the flower much more, and this black and white is always the best combination. So I will leave it to cure. So this is the next day and I didn't filled up the mold all the way because it's a big and deep mold. So I will be using the whole mold someday, but for today I made it simple. So this is how it turned out, and I really love how black and white always make that amazing flower. So I painted the edges with gold color and let's see how it turned out. So this is the final result and I so love it. After adding that golden to the edges, it did bring out the beauty and I really love it. So I hope you like it, and this was a quick tutorial on my gift, showing you my gift and how I made this flower coaster. So thank you so much, Samantha, for this amazing crystal mold, and I'm so loving it. And those inlays for the ammonites, I will be definitely using them very soon. Again, thank you. And to all, I hope you like this quick tutorial, and like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. And again, thank you so much, everyone. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.